हाय, वेलकम टू श्वेता's व्लॉग। सो आज हम आए हैं कोडाईकनाल, लाइक आई एम शेयरिंग द सीरीज ऑफ कोडाईकनाल। सो अभी आप देख सकते हो कितना फॉग भरा हुआ है एंड इट इज पीक डेज लाइक months if you come it will be like this। तो अभी हम आ चुके हैं अपने जो स्टे है वहाँ पे। सो ऑन माई राइट साइड इज कोकस वॉक, ऑन लेफ्ट साइड इज चर्च एंड इन बिटवीन द रोड गोज डाउन। तो यहाँ पे है हमारा स्टे। सो वी हैड बुक्ड Richwin होटल्स फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन। तो रिव्यू सब पढ़ के मैंने बुक किया है इसको। So this is a small narrow space road, but they have 4.5 ratings in Google, तो आप सर्च भी कर सकते हो। And I just want to share how budget friendly and where you can find such budget friendly hotels। जहाँ पे मैं जाती हूँ वहाँ पे I keep sharing like where all you can stay। So this is Richwin hotels in Kodaikanal। तो ये है होटल एंड जस्ट वी हैव अराइव्ड टुडे एंड इट्स लाइक सुपर्ब। तो उतना ज़्यादा पार्किंग स्पेस है नहीं, बट रोड इज़ ऑलवेज एम्प्टी सो यू कैन पार्क। सो इन फ्रंट ऑल्सो यू कैन पार्क। आवर्स इज स्कॉर्पियो दो जो बड़ा है तो वो भी फिट हो गया है बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट सो क्राउडेड, सो यू कैन गेट स्पेस वेरी easily। So as soon as we enter we got auntie ji to greet us। So this is their office and we can book online and offline as well, but availability के हिसाब से मिलता है। तो we didn't wanted to take any chance because it is the peak month and peak hours days of the year like Christmas and New Year था। तो you can see Christmas tree अभी भी है। So these are the certificates they have got and all those ratings and just वो सब 4.12। So yes, I'm just want to show you how actually this is because reviews में थोड़ा बहुत तो समझ आता है, but when we go right in there then we'll know। So this is the deluxe room। So they don't have different varieties of room, they have standard rooms। So this is only 2 floors, ground first and second, उसके ऊपर छत है। So this rooms we are checking out because actually we had booked online, तो पता नहीं चल रहा था कैसा होगा, but we had requested for nice view room। So they had booked 2 rooms, but my father-in-law wanted to be in ground floor because उनके घुटने के दर्द है। But when we came here, it's not too high that they can't climb। So we just wanted to check it out first क्योंकि we had choice। तो ऑनलाइन में हमने 1000 रुपीज ईच 2 रूम के लिए 2000 रुपीज दे के हमने इसको बुक किया था। एंड यू कैन सी द सोफाज आर देयर, नाइस कॉजी रूम्स, क्लीन एंड टाइडी दे हैव केप्ट एंड ऑल रूम्स हैव सेम कर्टन्स एंड सोफाज एंड एवरीथिंग, टीवी सब कुछ है, पर डायमेंशंस थोड़े इधर उधर है। एंड सम हैव बालकनी, सम दे डोंट हैव, इफ दे हैव ऑल्सो नॉट व्यू इज देयर। सो वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट टू बुक हियर, पहले से अगर आप बुक कर रहे हो तो मेंशन देम दैट you want a nice view room, especially on the second floor they have a good view room, so you can pre-book it। तो हमने ground floor और second floor book किया था। Now we have a change of mind because kids also want to see the view at least from the first floor because they have to stay with the grandfather because he needs their help। तो हम चेकआउट कर रहे हैं कैसे दिखता है। ये है फर्स्ट फ्लोर का रूम। So this is how it looks from the first floor। So वहाँ हमारा कार है and finally they've decided they are going to stay in the first floor room, but still we are checking out new rooms and this is our room। So you can see how nicely it is decorated and यस, जो भी बेसिक था है चाहिए वो सब है. डोंट कंपेयर टू 5 स्टार 7 स्टार होटल्स गाइस. तो जो भी मुझे लगता है दिस इज रियली नाइस. लॉजिंग से तो बेटर है. एंड यू कैन सी नाइस क्लीन बाथरूम्स, टॉयलेट विथ सिंक, सब कुछ है वहाँ पे. एंड इवन मेकअप के लिए मिरर है, एज ए विंडो इफ यू वांट टू ओपन, एंड टीवी. यस, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. एसी नहीं है बिकॉज इट्स वेरी कोल्ड इन कोडाईकनाल. फैन है शायद है. वी डिडंट इवन चेक दैट बिकॉज सो कोल्ड ईयर मैन. यू डोंट इवन नीड एनीथिंग को. बट समर में पता नहीं मुझे. विंटर्स में तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू डोंट नीड फैंस एंड एसी. सो यस, दिस इज हाउ द रूम इज. तो जैसे ही हम आ गए सब फैला दिया लोगों ने. As you can see, they have a sofa, they have a chair, they have table, everything needed. Only thing is जो bathroom kit मिलता है usually, some hotels provide only soap, some don't provide that also, some provide a full set. तो यहाँ पे I didn't saw any set and my son is like ruining my bed. और ये है balcony. So they just said there was soap, but I didn't found it. So it's better to carry your own bathroom kit. So this is how it is. And cold से आप देख सकते हो how my husband is packed himself because he has driven almost 9 hours to reach here. So obviously he's tired. No complaints about that. हमने तो टीवी ऑन ही नहीं की. Yes, I was really feeling happy to be here with this cold and freezy weather with this so much fog. And he slept because he was really tired. एक आदमी continuous stretch 9 hours he has driven. So yes, I am enjoying the view. And the curiosity is like this is the one of the resort which is dead opposite to our stay. So those resorts and all provide you best accommodation, whatever, but the charges are very high. I have checked everything. Starting from 6 to 10-15,000 tak jata hai. So in peak months like February and all, it is like that also. On 31st it is the highest you can imagine. So this room we have got only for 2,500 each room with GST included है. तो I really felt it is worth 2,500. अगर आप नॉन पीक डेज में आओगे तो थोड़ा कम ही होगा इससे. बट पीक डेज में जहाँ पे 31st is a very high peak day, so that days you are getting for this much. They might change. It might be available. You please check online before booking. So I am just showing you how it is. So comfortable bed है, comfortable spacious है. यहाँ पे अगर extra लोगों को आप fit कर भी सकते हो. So that is also there. So I am just doing my skin care routine. मैं miss नहीं करना चाहती. So because it is even more cold, my skin is even more dry because I have a dry skin. And coming to such cold place, it becomes even drier. And I have very very dry legs. So yes, I am applying all I can to keep it moisture. So midnight में जाई guys, I'm showing this. So this is midnight. So you can see fog everywhere, fog. So it's really nice, ये snow की तरह आपको दिख रहा है. This is the mist actually falling. Actually, I have read that sometimes in peak months like December, cold, you can't make out it is actually snowfall, but the temperature falls to 13, 14, 12 degree, 11 degrees. So you can feel that cold, which is almost like ice. नेकेड आइस को दिखता नहीं है, बट कैमरा में आप देख सकते हो इट इज समवॉट लाइक आइस. सो फ्लेक्स जो होते हैं वेरी वेरी स्मॉल माइन्यूट. बट आई थिंक दिस इज हाउ इट इज. द फॉग लुक्स सो थिक एंड yes, it looks really beautiful. So I'm enjoying every bit of it, staying up in my बालकनी, तो कोई डिस्टरबेंस नहीं है, कोई भी यहाँ पे होता भी नहीं है. So it is all for you. And this is the view early morning. As soon as you get up, this is the view you will get. So if it is entirely moist and foggy, this is the view you will get from your balcony. Just like amazing. क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सारे होटल्स को चेकअप किया ऑनलाइन, सो आई वॉज नॉट फीलिंग दैट वाइब्स, बट यहाँ पे actually it is looks really good. So early morning we got up and we wanted to explore some few things, what all is available and all those stuff. So me and husband, we got up and just 100 meters हम ऊपर आए, तो this is what we found. So this is there are petty shops. So this side to my left is Vanter's Walk Park, and this side is Coco's Walk, and that is the किंग्स चर्च. सो यहाँ पे आपको ठेला मिल जाते हैं फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, टी, एवरीथिंग. दे विल कुक फ्रेशली हियर एंड आई एम ट्राइंग ड्रैगन फायर. सो यस, सो एवरीथिंग इज वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस. सो आप बाद में अगर आप जा रहे हो पिलर रॉक, गुना केव्स एंड ऑल, यू हैव टू गो इन द सेम पाथ. सो दिस इज हाउ द तेली से अगर हम आएंगे तो दिस साइड राइट साइड इज कोकोस वॉक एंड लेफ्ट साइड इज चर्च, एंड जस्ट 100 meters डाउन टू माई ऑपोजिट बैक साइड वहाँ पे लेक आता है. So I'll show you later. So this is how it is, and the resort is opposite to me. So yeah, वहाँ पे अगर आप स्टे करना चाहते हो तो they'll have karaoke, fire, वो सब होता है, campfire सब. But we just wanted to sleep and get up and go and explore. So this is where I am walking. ऊपर चर्च है, नीचे resort है. So church is like very nice. I'll show the video next. So night में आप explore कर सकते हो, and at night थोड़ा fog कम हुआ and you can see the view, the far view. वहाँ पे पूरा village है. So that lighting is the village light which was covered totally by fog yesterday, and today थोड़ा clear हुआ है तो दिख रहा है, and it looks so superb. So this is amazing view, amazing stay मुझे लगा. But don't expect too much and come, because few flaws are there, I'll tell you. तो अभी देखो दिख रहा है. The thing is there is no lift. So अगर आप second floor पे book कर रहे हो, then you have to lift your own luggage. So we are enjoying at night ice cream. तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है when you are in a very फ्रीजी टेम्परेचर में, फ्रीजी प्लेसेस में अगर आप आइसक्रीम खा रहे हो तो इट इज़ ए weird fun I usually like, and my daughter also wanted to experience, so we had a very Baskin and Robbins ice cream. So again I came here to see, and that is how it is. There is no lift, so you have to pull your own luggages. And if you have lot of luggages, then you have to do up and down, which we did today. And there is no room boy, because I don't know, मैंने पूछा तो उन्होंने बोला अभी peak days है, so it is like a new year, they have taken leave, but I don't know. If you get, it's your luck, but there are only two main staffs managing the hotel, Asha and one more guy, and 2 lady staffs are there for helping things. So apart from that, you can see like it is a New Year Eve, so they are celebrating New Year by cracking the crackers, bursting the crackers, and you can see from far place how it is. So this is the night of 31st. So yes, बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा है, and बहुत ही experience is amazing. As you can see, all are burning the crackers, and I'm wishing, standing here, all my friends New Year and whatnot. So yes, I really enjoy seeing this, to be honest. ಫೈರ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕರ್ಸ್
ಮೇಲೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದಾರ
ಬಾಗ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪಂಗೆ ಚಳಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ನಾನು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಮೇಲಿನ ಸೂಪರ್ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ.
Happy New Year, baby. यस तो न्यू ईयर तो शुरू हो चुका है एंड I can see all this because today fog is very less and that's why I can see far view. Actually mountain भी दिखता है, अब तक तो नहीं दिखा, कल शायद दिख जाए. But as of now I'm enjoying the entire New Year blink which is happening and yes, it's really nice. You can put a chair and see for the entire night the bursting they are doing. ये पूरा जो है स्मॉल हिल स्टेशन है तो लोग बाय 8:30 खत्म, यहाँ पे कोई दिखता ही नहीं है. देयर इज अ रोड ऑल्सो इफ यू वांट टू एक्सप्लोर फर्दर बट 8:30-9 तक तो पूरा सिटी बंद हो जाता है. ओनली फ्यू होटल्स एंड ऑल विल बी ओपन नियर द बस स्टैंड. बाय द वे दिस इज नियर टू बस स्टैंड ऑल्सो. अराउंड 10 to 15 मिनट्स अगर आप वॉक करोगे तो बस स्टैंड पहुंच जाओगे. सो दिस इज लाइक ए सेंट्रल प्लेस आई फेल्ट एंड इट इज नियर टू एवरी प्लेस. So best thing to do is stay here and go from here. So this is the main building I am showing you from the beginning. So parking यहाँ पे मिल जाता है and this is the only entry and only exit you have. So यहीं से exit and entry होता है. So as soon as you enter, to the right side is the office where you can come and ask for any help. And yes, they have tree also here, so nice and cozy, clean, and this is the rooms they have. So एक फ्लोर में शायद 4 या 5 rooms होंगे. So this is the menu. Actually they have a small canteen here and they will provide food like you have to book for breakfast previous day. So morning अगर आप बुक करोगे तो लंच मिल जाएगा, आफ्टरनून बुक करोगे तो डिनर मिल जाएगा. So they will serve if you want to the room. If not, you can go directly to the terrace and sit and eat there also. But only problem is you have to have patience to get the food because if you are planning to go early in the morning, आप ये नहीं wait कर सकते हो. The theli you can, which we showed there, you can have nice hot idlis and move. If not, you can find for restaurants. So एक floor में भी there are the 2 to 3 4 rooms and every floor has extra bed. So किसी को extra bed चाहिए तो you can just say them and they'll charge 500 per bed. So you can take extra bed and adjust 1 or 2 in that. As you can see, every floor they have kept these beds and their water bottles, the cans they provide for free, I think. And इससे that was our floor. So इससे आगे अगर we climb then you will reach to the top terrace. तो यहाँ पे इनका सब cleaning, sorting ये सब यहाँ पे होता है. आंटी जी जो कर रहे हैं ऐसे. So if you come out, so this is the terrace. So यहाँ पे ही मैंने बोला you'll have a small canteen, so you can take food and eat here. And only on order they will prepare. It won't be available there. Only on pre-orders they will prepare. So this is how it looks from here. So आज भी थोड़ा fog है, तो let's see how it looks from the top. So this is how it looks. You can see a road going. So वो कहाँ पे जाता है पता नहीं, but if you have time you can really explore this city. And the view is nice here, and you can see opposite में बहुत सारे clubs, hotels, homestays, resorts सब मिल जाएगा. And the view which I showed in the night, far view, अभी फिर से fog cover हो रहा है, so you can't see it again until it is sunny. So all these are stays only, most of them. So online में आप search कर सकते हो. And this is our stays road. So road is totally empty, so you can park there. And there is swimming pool also. पता नहीं इस cold में कौन swimming करेगा, but they have that in a resort, I think. So overall it is very good, and see that entire thing is covered due to fog. तो यहाँ पे खाना भी अगर आप ऑर्डर करें इससे मिल जाता है. एंड कॉफी टी ऑल्सो इज अवेलेबल फ्रॉम 7 or something like that in the morning until 6 in the evening they will serve it. After 6 they won't serve coffee and tea as well. So town is very sorted, so you can go early, but late night का पता नहीं, स्विगी से ऑर्डर कर सकते हो शायद. But yes, it is we are vegetarians, so we went near bus stand searching for veg restaurants, which I'll share in later videos. So that also is available, and you can walk. पहले दिन तो हमने walk करके गए थे, because this city is like they have small spaces and small roads, so they follow lane, like there is no dual roads, so single road है सब, और इसलिए one way है सब कुछ. So if you miss any road you have to put a big round and take the correct path again. So that is one problem here. So this is the entire hotel, and ये हमारा room है. So this is the second floor which I had showed. So finally everything is nice, and yes, you can ask the staff for the help if you want for anything. And again, this is the next morning's view, and today it is bright and shine, as you can see. तो यहाँ का व्यू अब आप देख सकते हो. दिस इज द परफेक्ट व्यू व्हाट वी हैव फ्रॉम दिस बालकनी. तो आधा ही दिख रहा था कल तक, तो पूरा आज दिख रहा है. यू कैन सी फार माउंटेन फ्रॉम हियर, विच इज रियली ब्यूटीफुल. एंड ओनली वन थिंग माइनस एडवांटेज यहाँ पे है, तो इनका जो वाटर है सप्लाई 24/7 हॉट वाटर बोलते हैं, पर द प्रॉब्लम इज आई थिंक दे यूज दे सोलार, सो लुक वार्म वाटर ही आता है. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट हॉट वाटर, so you have to manage with that as well. So apart from that, if you are okay to be just few things, so this is the best thing. You can sit here and spend whole day and night, because early morning sunrise आप देख सकते हो यहीं से, and evening sunset भी देख सकते हो यहीं से. I have shown you all the 3 days का how different the view is. all the 3 days foggy था, बीच में थोड़ा foggy था, आज पूरा sunny है. So this is how the view is of this hotel. So I just want to share this because when you are searching for some good stay, you might consider, because यहाँ से जो भी व्यू पॉइंट्स है सब पास ही है, because out of city है ये थोड़ा, so all viewpoints are out of city. So if you take in middle of the city, nothing is there. So all hill station, you know that, I think city में कुछ नहीं होता, surroundings में होता है, तो you have to choose which is near to the spots. So this is best thing I felt. and लेक सब आप घूम के आ सकते हो, शॉपिंग के लिए सब वॉक में ही जा सकते हो. So yes, I have shared almost everything. what I know. Only thing is you have to check out at 9 in the morning, so that is one thing. If not, you have to pay again for the next day. So apart from that, staying a view, everything is fine. So if you are not staying in resort and spending whole day, this is the best stay. You can stay and explore the outside thing. So overall, I felt really nice, and yes, I have shared what I have experienced. Clean, a nice room, silent है थोड़ा, इतना शोर भी नहीं है. Only thing is because we were staying in peak days, ये था तो मास चल रहा था चर्च का, so you should be ready for that. Early morning 5:30 को मास चल रहा था, so that will be heard. So next day, like we had New Year, so they have put a nice rangoli. So yes, I am ready to adjust all these small things for just such a nice budget stay. Anyway, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.